For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Al Ahly 0. First leg, we CAF Champions League semi-finals at Loftus Stadium. Typical African football. 0-0 first leg. Yazi ngibone ndoni kwi-CAF Champions UEFA Champions League a couple of weeks ago. First leg I saw 3 goals in one game. Kwenye game there was also in Barcelona I saw 4 goals. Second leg I saw 3 goals. First leg, second leg between Madrid and Arsenal. With Barcelona I saw about 6 goals. UEFA Europa League game Manchester United and Lyon, I saw 9 goals go second leg, 5-4. But namhlanje first leg we CAF Champions League between the best team in the country and also the best team in the continent, Al Ahly, with 12 stars on top of ilogo yabo. Loftus Stadium is so 0-0.
Mhlekazomhle.
Mr. So and so.
Phupha ngecawa. Ngibulise wena Shane. Ngibulise Stizi, ngibulise Msenkewu, ngibulise Chairman, ngibulise uLindo Mukwena. Ngibulise nana emakhaya icela support njalo la iDisk TV. Zobe nje obinjalo ngijike futhi. Shini ungabi nochuku yazi. Yazi uchuku ungabi nalo. Shini sila eAfrica manje sidlala iChampions League, CAF Champions League la eAfrica. Ungazi unochuku lama 3 nama 4 awase Europe.
Mr. So maningaqhawlo ne. Yazi into ebangela ukuthi bengathi nochuku because between these two teams I've seen about 7 goals. The last time these two teams played, I saw about 7 goals. Where Sundowns won 5-2. If I'm not mistaken, I stand to be corrected. So coming into this game, I had a lot of expectation. I was expecting maybe 2 or 3 goals, but 0-0, Mr. So.
Shane, there's this thing called coach power. You know, mhlawumbe abantu they'll be lost ukuthi so uthini manje. Shane, this coach bamdlile last season. And njengoba bamdlile last season, they know him. Bayamazi.
So they don't fear him.
That's why you saw in the game how many chances did the Al Ahly created? More than Sundowns. And when you look back, go back now, last season or season before, with the Al Ahly against Sundowns, what's happening? You'll never see Al Ahly attacking. You'll never see Al Ahly even nama chances that they created this afternoon.
They were so relaxed. I've never seen Al Ahly coming to South Africa to play against Sundowns and be so relaxed. And bembonakala ngathi abazu lose that game. The first 25 minutes, Sundowns were all over them. Ball position, Sundowns were there, but they didn't have any shot on target. But you could see Al Ahly, they were just happy. Okay, Sundowns have the ball, and then Tina, we are fine as long as it's 0-0.
You know, Al Ahly, they thought Sundowns, they will play their game, the game there that everyone is scared of. So, but you know, when the game goes on, they were like, no man, we can play with these guys, man. We can attack these guys. They're there for the taking. And you know, when you look at the chances that Al Ahly created, they are more and better than Sundowns. You go get him in a coach power. You know, it's said that I will bring it up, and that's not a nice thing, but I will do it. You know, if it was Urulane at Sundowns, playing against Al Ahly, I'm telling you, Bonga was one of the shooted goal Al Ahly. Even Al Ahly getting to that final 30 Sundowns scoring a goal, because they know the coach power plays a part in the game. They're scared. One, they're scared of the coach himself. 2, they're scared of Sundowns as a team. So that combination, they're scared of that. That's why Sundowns, everyone was scared of Sundowns. So now everyone says, no, we can play against Sundowns. We can attack Sundowns. Because in this game, yes, nice game to watch. To be honest, nice game to watch. And again, you know, when I look at Al Ahly, it came to me to say, no wonder why they always win Champions League. is because when you give them that opportunity to play, they will play and they will beat you. Because, I would say they were unlucky not to win the game. They were unlucky. They hit upright.
Yeah.
There was a goal. Unfortunately, there was an offside.
Offside, yeah.
Again, there was another attack. Now, the referee's optional time, another attack, offside. The header, Williams has to save. They created more chances compared to Sundowns. So they were unlucky not to win the game. But Mina Shane, I said it. This game will end up with a draw. Because Sundowns, it's a Sundowns that no one is scared of. I was happy to see Umshishi back and Genawake, he changed the game altogether. No, you are born influence, combination play. This is what I was saying. Sundowns, if you can't play using the pockets, then Sundowns, they are not going to be dangerous.
But then, Mr. Tso, Yazi, I saw your predictions as well. But after Namhlanje, after kuphume lineup Sundowns,
Yeah.
I mean, I was so confident. I even said to a friend of mine, Ukadoso Namhlanje is going for the kill. Because there's this partnership, Reyners and also Ushalulile.
Yeah.
Namhlanje, uqale ngomnye wabo waqala on the bench.
Yeah.
And I saw ukuthi maybe Mhlawumbe might be happy with this lineup because this is what he's always wanted. But after umdlalo udlalile Mr. Tso, they went to half-time 0-0.
Yeah.
Did you see Sundowns Mhlawumbe ukuthi they can still come in second half, especially with Uzwane there is back. Did you see them maybe coming in second half and producing something special in this game?
Shaney, the Sundowns, they are not Alache, they are not Pyramids, they are not Sundowns, they are not Chiefs, they are not Pirates, they are not Chiefs. They are not with Casablanca. They are Sundowns. They've got their own way of playing. And if you're not going to play the way of Sundowns, then it means it's going to be an ordinary game. Because I will take back now again, it came here Chiefs. When you watch that Sundowns against the Chiefs, and watch the Sundowns against Alak, you can see they still play positional game, positional play. They keep the ball. They get the ball from Williams, centre back, is a middle lane. But where's the creativity in that final third?
You don't like Mr. Tso?
One is when you play players out of
Position. Yeah.
and not using the width in a proper way, then manas. Sundowns, they used to have the width and having Ribeiro behind, knowing that we've got the width, that they are creative, they can create chances. And Ribeiro also here, central, can come in and get the ball and turn. So now, Ukadoso and saying, we value yonke lento leyo manje. I still got that creativity lela phakathi manje, where you'll see Ribeiro playing 1-2, nabo Shalulile, nabo Renas lapha. I say go. And Guayana, the key player for Sundowns, Ribeiro, is out. It's off.
You think mhlawumbe so I problem leyo? You don't think mhlawumbe on the other side ngelinye mehlo mhlawumbe some teams have figured out indlela edlala ngayo Sundowns okanye uKhadoso they figured out uKhadoso indlela edlala ngayo?
There's one thing I'll tell you, Shane. When you've got players that are smart in Jabo Ribeiro, those are players that they always confuse. Even if you have to man marker, he's always going to confuse in the midfield, confuse the opponents because of Amaranwak in those pockets. They confuse everyone.
Yeah.
But now if you want him to play positional game, then it's easy to assign him. Because now he was playing on the right. So he didn't have that license to come here in the middle, get the ball 10 and go forward. He's playing positional where you stay there. When you stay there, if you come in just a bit to open the space for Umudao.
Yeah.
But I want to on the right. I don't want to see you here in the middle. I don't want to see you going to the left. I want to see you there as a striker. I want to see you here on the right. And now it limits the immobility of Ribeiro and the quality. Now we don't see the quality.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Tso for your analysis. CAF Champions League first leg at Loftus Stadium. It is Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Al-Ahly 0. Ungayijonga ngamehlo amabini. On the other side, Sundowns didn't win at home, but xa ujonga ngelinye mehlo, Sundowns going to second leg they might feel a bit positive because remember what happened with rivals, actually with CAF Confederations Cup, and they drew with Stellenbosch here in South Africa. Ku first leg where quarterfinals, the CAF Confederations Cup. Stellenbosch went to Egypt and scored the only goal of the game. Bapi namhlanje baku semi-finals, the CAF Confederations Cup. So this is not a bad result for Sundowns, but they should just go there in Egypt and score. And sebesuke Egypt baya bafika bakora. So it's not something Sundowns no gobanos betanga is full, but no, we are disappointed. But it's a disappointing result to win ekhaya. But should they go to Egypt and win, then that will be a positive result for Mamelodi Sundowns. But namhlanje it is Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Akli 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Sharp kunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways.